Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to manage listings on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to the My eBay section at the bottom side of your screen, and here you can see the section Selling. So here you will see sections like active listings, your orders, and unsold listings, unsold items. Unfortunately, as you can see, I don't have any listings right here because I don't sell on eBay. But anyway, I will guide you through, and I hope you can manage it. So this active section allows you to view all the items you currently have listed. If you have many of them, you can scroll through them, tap anyone to edit. Usually this is the three dots next to the listing. So you can edit it, update the price, change some photos, adjust shipping, or for example end the listing if you need to do it. The next section called Orders, and here you will see items that have sold. This section helps you track what's been purchased and what still needs to be shipped. You can tap on any item to mark it as shipped, or for example update tracking information. And the last section is Unsold. Unsold section allows you to review items that ended without a sale. So they haven't been sold. You can tap button relist to quickly put them back up to sale, but I'm not sure if that button is still active. It all depends on the version of your eBay application. So if you don't have that button, simply don't do it, because basically you cannot do it because you don't have that button. So using these sections, these three sections, helps you to keep up your listings fresh and organized. So that's a very important thing to take into consideration. So that's how you can manage your listings on eBay using those sections. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.